When it comes to roof replacement Madison Heights, finding the right roofing contractor is crucial. Madison Heights roofing contractors offer a wide range of roofing services, including roof leak repair, shingle replacement, and roof restoration. Whether you need a simple roof inspection or a complete roof replacement, Madison Heights roofing experts are equipped to handle all your roofing needs with precision and care. Roof replacement Madison Heights is a task best left to the professionals. With a variety of roofing materials available, including asphalt roofing, metal roofing, and flat roofing, Madison Heights roofing specialists can provide the perfect solution for your home or business. Roofing companies in Madison Heights are known for their expertise in installing durable and long-lasting roofing systems that can withstand the harsh Michigan weather. Regular roof maintenance in Madison Heights is essential to prolong the life of your roof. Madison Heights roof maintenance services include routine inspections, cleaning, and minor repairs to ensure your roof remains in top condition. By scheduling regular roof inspections, you can catch potential issues early and avoid costly repairs down the line. For those experiencing roof leaks, Madison Heights roof leak repair services are available to address the problem promptly. Roof leak repair in Madison Heights involves identifying the source of the leak and implementing effective solutions to prevent further damage. Madison Heights roofing solutions are designed to keep your home safe and dry even during the heaviest rainstorms. Shingle replacement in Madison Heights is a common service provided by local roofing companies. Madison Heights shingle replacement experts can assess the condition of your shingles and recommend the best course of action. Whether you need a few shingles replaced or an entire roof overhaul, Madison Heights roofing professionals have the skills and experience to get the job done right. Roof waterproofing is another important service offered by Madison Heights roofing contractors. By applying high-quality waterproofing materials, Madison Heights roofing specialists can protect your roof from water damage and extend its lifespan. This service is particularly beneficial for flat roofing systems, which are more susceptible to water pooling and leaks. When considering a roof replacement Madison Heights, it's important to obtain roofing estimates and quotes from multiple contractors. Roofing estimates in Madison Heights can vary based on the size and complexity of the project, as well as the materials used. By comparing roofing quotes Madison Heights, you can ensure you're getting the best value for your investment. Madison Heights roofing companies also offer comprehensive roofing warranty options to give you peace of mind. A roofing warranty Madison Heights can cover materials, workmanship, or both, depending on the terms of the agreement.